Good morning, students. Today we study about the reactions, different kinds of reactions. Yes, how to write the equation you have studied yesterday. So we study about the balancing equation you have studied. Now different kinds of equations we have. Combination types of chemical reactions. Okay. So the first one is the combination reaction. Okay. So just I will explain in a short way. So combination reaction means what? Okay, so there is a definition is there in the textbook. It is not seen here. Okay. So just I will read, you underline that point, page number 147. Okay. So combination reaction means in this reaction, when a single product is formed from the two or more reactants is known as a combination reaction. This side we have the reactants and right side one we call it as what? Product. When a one product is formed with the two reactants, carbon plus carbon is one reactant and oxygen is one reactant. So carbon plus oxygen giving us the carbon dioxide. Here hydrogen plus oxygen giving us the hydrogen dioxide and water. So here when the two reactants combine together and giving us the one single product is called as a combination reaction. Decomposition composition means what? Mixture. Write the meaning. Composition means what? Mixture. And D means what? Opposite. Breaking the mixture. Okay. So when the one reactant is breaking into two or more products, it is called as a decomposition reaction. Okay. So decomposition reaction means what? 148 page if you take, there is a definition is there. Decomposition reaction. Okay. Why it is not clear? Okay. So decomposition reaction means what? 148 you see the second paragraph down the equation. So in this reaction, one single reactant breakdown to give two or more products, it is called as a decomposition reaction. If the breaking is taking place through the heat, thermal means heat. Through the heat if it is taking means it is called as a thermal decomposition reaction. For example, 2H2O, it is a water. So if the water and oxygen, when we pass the electricity, it is breaking into two. 2H2 plus O2. So decomposition reaction means what? One mixture when it is breaks into two. It is two products. One reactant breaking into two or more products. It is called as a decomposition reaction. If the two, for the breaking of that, when we are using the thermal, that means heat or the electric current, it is called as a thermal decomposition reaction. For example, here sodium carbonate NaHCO3, only one reactant is there here. So this single reactant is breaking into three products. Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, and plus H2O, water, and CO2. Near NaHCO3 you write Na means sodium, hydrogen, carbonate. Here you write sodium, hydrogen, carbonate. Na2CO3 means what? Sodium carbonate. CO2 means carbon dioxide. H2O means water. In the exam I will write the names of these formulas, and otherwise I will give the name and I will ask you write the formula. Okay, you should write this one. So this is one reactant breaking into two or more products. It is called as a decomposition reaction. Okay, just underline this point. Now next one is the displacement reaction. So what is the displacement reaction means? For example, here it is there when the single reactant breaking into to give more products, it is called as a decomposition reaction. Okay, so NaHCO3 means sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium carbonate. Understand? So here also names already it is there here. When we heat the sodium hydrogen carbonate, it breaks into sodium carbonate and then hydrogen, water, and CO2 means carbon dioxide. So next one, okay, underline this point. Okay, this one and this one. This is the decomposition reaction definition. Understand? So here we see about the displacement reaction. Displacement reaction means what? This displacement reaction you will do in the practical. Okay, so here in one test tube we are taking the copper solution, another test tube another solution we are taking. Okay, so here what we have to do means displacement reaction. Okay, so in this reaction, page 149, don't bother about this page numbers, you see in your textbook 149 page. So here in this reaction, iron has displaced or removed copper from copper sulfate solution and taken its place the compound. This reaction is known as a displacement reaction. Displacement, place means place na jaga, displacement means opposite, changing the place. Okay, for example here you see the equation Fe means what? Iron, plus CuSO4. CuSO4 means what? Copper sulfate. So here Fe is coming in the place of copper. So the CuSO4 is what? Compound. Fe is element. One element is taking the place in another compound. So iron has displaced or removed copper from the copper sulfate solution and taken its place in the compound. Iron is removed the copper and it take the place of the copper in the compound. It is called as a, now you see Fe is coming in the place of Cu. So we write as a result FeSO4 plus Cu. Understand? Copper, iron sulfate. Fe means what? Iron. So displacement reaction means what? One element taking the place of the another element of the compound or the solution. This is the solution, not the solid. Iron is the solid taking the place of this one. So we get the result as a iron sulfate and copper. Understand? This is the displacement reaction. And next one, so there are so many examples are there. You see Pb means lead, Zn means zinc, Ag means silver, silver nitrate. Understand? Now double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction means what? For example, Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives rise to BaSO4 plus 2NaCl is the result. Yes, Ba means barium, Na means sodium. So sodium sulfate. So here we saw that white substance is formed which is insoluble in water. This insoluble substance is called precipitate. That means when the two liquids, when with the two liquid chemicals, when the two solution when we are mixing, we get like the insoluble white precipitate powder. That insoluble means not soluble in the water, like white powder we get. It is called as a precipitate. In this reaction, we get white precipitate of barium sulfate. We add sodium sulfate solution to barium chloride solution. NaSO4 is also a solution, sodium sulfate solution, and BaCl to barium chloride is also a solution. When those two solutions are mixing together, we get the precipitate insoluble product and the water. NaCl as a sodium chloride as a solution. Okay, so this is the one we get. So what is the double displacement reaction means? Here SO4 is minus, Na is plus. Write the 2 minus, Ba plus Cl minus. So here 2 plus. The white precipitate of BaSO4 is formed. The reaction SO4 and Ba2 plus. The other product is formed, sodium chloride, which is formed by combination of Na plus. You just understand here, in which there is an exchange of ions between the reactants are called double displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction, only one element changed the place. Double displacement reaction, two elements are changing place. Yes, BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. So here what is that? In the Ba and Na, you see, in the SO4 is taking, Ba is taking the place of Na, okay, and Na is taking the place of Ba. Like that exchange is there, double displacement reaction. when there is exchange of ions between the reactants is called, between the two other reactants, na? Ba is taking the place of Na is taking the place of Ba. So there is a exchange of ions are there, plus minus plus minus. When it get the charges, it becomes ions, na? So when there is a exchange of ions between the reactants, it is called as a double displacement reaction.